Hello, Bill, managers, and agents. I am excited and happy to bring you our latest update from the Realogy Advantage Broker Network, formerly known as Cardis, as to where we stand as far as our metal status and platinum status this year. As I expected and mentioned last month, we did take a jump, and that is terrific news. So if you recall, to earn platinum, you need 31 points or higher. Gold is between 26 and 30, and silver is 21 to 25 points. Right now, where do we stand? We are at 26 points, up from 20 last month. So right now, if the year finished today, we would be receiving a gold medal, which is absolutely spectacular. Remember, last year we didn't achieve gold, silver, or platinum. So we're in a really good place right now. So we have to keep up that good work. What I want to concentrate on are three things this month. Really, our affinity buyers, because that's where we have a chance of losing points, actually. So those affinity buyers are tough. But remember, each time you get a file, work that file the best that you absolutely can. And also, look at how you're closing out those files. I send you those closeout codes. Close them out in a way that does not count against our conversion. Or lean that way if you possibly can. Remember, we're keeping those files open, so don't ask for them to be closed out as cannot reach or not responding. What's happening, and I'll show you quickly, is that if you take a look, our conversion rates had peaked in this business line at around 52%. And you see, since that peak, we've been going down. And using those closeout codes, we're now at 42%. What that actually did is that lost us 2 points, and we have the opportunity to get those 2 points back to get more points toward platinum, which is absolutely spectacular. Two other things that I want you to concentrate on that can give us points are your outgoing referrals. So remember, if you have an outgoing referral, place it through our system because it's a benefit to everybody if you do. That's one thing. The other thing is agent-generated referrals. So the AARP program or the military programs, if you run into a person that might qualify, consider putting them into the program. Or start using the program and reach out to new clients, like veterans organizations in the area. Reaching out to them, sending them flyers with your information. If you're not sure where to find those flyers, just reach out to me. But really good news this month. Let's keep up this great work. We only have 5 more points to get the platinum, and I know that we absolutely can do it. Sorry for that dinging in the background, but I wanted to get this out to you because I'm so excited. I gave Bill a little bit of a preview yesterday. Thanks again for everything, and have a great day.